Okay. Hello. How are you doing, everyone? Goodison Gamer here with another review. And today I'm going to take a look at Manic Miner on the Commodore 64, and this is a game request by John Gage. Okay, so this is an early platformer from 83, I think. So let's see how this one plays. Well, I can reveal it for you right now. This will be a really annoying game. So there you go. So I play as this figure down here, and I should collect keys, and there are death lurking all over the place here. Poisonous plants, this dude here, and of course ground that breaks when you walk on it as well. So there are a lot of obstacles here. Like that. So you have to be very pixely perfect here, and I don't really like that. It's a bollocks, actually. So, but let's see if we can manage to get anywhere. So I play this in my Wise emulator with my keys, and I'm not very good at playing with my keys. Shit! But it's pretty simple. I mean, straightforward game, not a really simple game. It looks, by the look of it, you know. So that's the game over. So let's try once again here. Yeah. If we can get further now. Ooh, that was close. Let's stay there and jump there, jump there. No, you have to jump in the exactly right moment. And this is actually level 1. It's I don't know what to say. Why not make level 1 a little bit easy? No, I missed. Now then. There. No. Oh my god. On a scale from 1 to 10, how annoying I think this game is, it must be an 11. And that very repetitive sound in the background adds up to the nightmare. Oh. Oh, yippee. Can I jump there? Yes, I could. Can I jump there? Yes. And now. There. And jump. No. Shit. Oh. 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 I don't know what to say. Yes. Yes. I can't believe it. Is this really happening? Ho ho ho. Oi oi oi. I didn't see that one coming. No! What the hell? And now what? Let's try. Yeah. Let's jump over this. No, I couldn't. No! Do I have to start all over? Oh no, fuck this game. I will not play anymore. So yeah, it's a very annoying game. It could have been a little bit more easy in the beginning. No, this is not my cup of tea. But I will. Can I understand why this is a classic for someone? No, I don't. Can't. I really can't. Yeah, if with a little bit of practice, perhaps you will get something out of it. It's not my cup of tea. But I will rate Manic Miner. Yeah, 5 out of 10. Yeah, I can be a little bit generous here. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Take care and have a good one. Goodbye.